WebEx, thank you. Sorry, we had some technical difficulties. Okay. All right, welcome to March's Top Dog. Thank you for joining us. Every month we like to take a few moments and take time to recognize our students who have done an excellent job of representing LPJ and what we stand for. So, without further ado, we're going to start. Our first student is Ethan Marino. Ethan, come on up. Your teacher is your math, Kay DeLeon. She says he is always prepared, polite, punctual, and patient. He is very kind to everyone and always has a smile on his face. He's always willing to help another, and I have never heard him complain. He truly brings sunshine to the classroom. Great job, Ethan. All right, our next student is Edison Ng. Edison, your teacher is Miss DeLong from theater. Edison has come so far in theater. He is quiet by nature, but has worked hard all year to improve his stage presence. I'm impressed with how far he has come. Way to go, Edison. Great job, Edison. Jason Roselle. Where's Jason? There you are. Coach Ordonez from Science says, Jason is an amazing student in class, always on time, ready to learn. He is supportive and helpful towards his classmates. He is always participating and very hardworking. Great job, Jason. Mia Pelori. Mia, Miss Science DeLeon says, Mia is a wonderful and hardworking student. She does her best with everything she does and always has a smile. She always displays a positive attitude and is always respectful, polite, and helpful. But wait, Mia, Miss Hill also nominated you. And Miss Hill says, Mia is an excellent student who makes sure that her assignments demonstrate quality work and excellence. Mia is also kind to others and has a helpful attitude. She also exhibits from day to day many character qualities of a LaPorte Junior High bullpup. Great job, Mia. Jarwin Ross. All right, Jarwin, this is from Miss Selby, your science teacher. Miss Selby says, Jarwin is very helpful in my class. He helps by participating during the lesson, and he is the first in class to help others if they have a question. Great job, Jarwin. Zadiel Betancourt. He is absent today, but his is from Miss Trotta. She says, Zadiel has worked hard to bring his grades up. He is respectful and has so much potential for success. Congratulations and keep up the hard work. Caleb Clark. Caleb, this is from Miss Maddox. Caleb is always working hard to complete his projects on time and of a quality that meets his standards. I appreciate his willingness to stay within the project guidelines, while at the same time making sure it is authentically his work and ideas that shine through. Thanks for being an awesome student and a true artist. I can't wait to see what you will do next. Great job, Caleb. Caleb Hanks. Caleb, this is from Miss Stone. Miss Stone says, Caleb is a serious student that provides solid support in our English class. He is very focused, completing assignments with accuracy and care. He readily participates in the small groups, helping to make them work by his steady work ethic. He works hard to apply writing strategies, which his essays exhibit. Great job, Caleb. Ryan Reynolds. Ryan, this is from Miss Woodall. Ryan is the perfect example of what it means to be a top dog. He is respectful, kind, and organized. Ryan tries hard each day to be successful. He works well with his peers and is always willing to participate and help out where needed. Ryan is polite to the staff and to his classmates. I am honored to be his teacher. LPJ is a better place because of students like Ryan. Great job, Ryan. AJ Jason. This is from Miss Trotta. AJ has worked hard this 6 weeks to keep his grades up. He has a positive attitude and is respectful to his teachers and peers. Great job, AJ. Gabriel Guzman. Gabriel, this is from Miss Woodall. Gabriel is an excellent student who is a role model for others. He is creative, respectful, and caring. He participates in class discussions and helps his peers when needed. I've enjoyed watching Gabriel grow as a reader and a writer. All in all, Gabriel is a good kid who has a bright future ahead of him. He is the perfect example of what it means to be a top dog. Great job, Gabriel. Ava Ramirez. Ava, this is from Ms. Jackson, your ELA teacher. Ms. Jackson says she has been doing great on her test and classwork. She definitely deserves to be top dog. Great job, Ava. Francisco Rodriguez is absent today, but this is from Ms. Swain. I'm not sure where to start with how much I've enjoyed watching this student mature this year. The road has not always been smooth and it will still be bumpy, but he's on the road that I see so much potential. This 6 weeks, we have started book clubs, and I know reading a whole novel is a struggle for most 8th graders. However, Francisco has embraced this activity and blown me away. Each week, he comes prepared and excited to discuss his book with the whole group. I have seen this excitement a few times over the course of the year. I love getting to watch him light up when we talk about certain stories. It makes my teacher heart flutter. Francisco has the potential to change his world, and I hope he finds it in himself to never give up. He is a top dog here at LPJ and will go on to do great things. So he will get back when he returns. Cassandra Mata. Cassandra, this is from Ms. Burns. Cassandra is a model student in credit recovery math. She comes to class with a positive attitude and works hard every day to understand our lessons. She is one amazing young lady and a joy to have in class. Her work ethic exemplifies what it means to be a mighty bullpup. Great job, Cassandra. Excel Gallegos. I'm so sorry, Excel. Gallegos. Excel is a very polite and happy. Whenever I see her in the class or in the hallway, she has a smile on her face. She works really hard in science, and I want her to know that it is appreciated. I wish I had every class full of hard workers like Excel. This is from Ms. Oliphant. Great job. Mia Mendoza. Mia, this is from Ms. Oliphant. Mia is always pleasant when she comes to class, and she greets me every day. She's very conscientious and always tries to do better. She's been working very hard and recently achieved a 100 on her test. Keep up the great work, Mia. Kaden Harrison. Kaden, this is from Miss Coffee. Throughout the duration of this school year, I have seen amazing improvements in Kaden. Every day he comes in ready to learn and does not complain about the work set before him. He regularly displays a growth mindset that enables him to conquer new concepts. He has become a great friend and supporter of his classmates, offering them encouragement when needed. I am proud of Kaden and his growth this school year. Great job, Kaden. Evelyn Garza. Evelyn, this is from Miss Jackson, your ELA teacher. She always tries her best on her schoolwork, and she is always calm and kind. She's a great example of a LaPorte Junior High top dog. Great job, Evelyn. Nadia Olson. Nadia is a great student. This is from Mr. Lopez. Nadia is a great student to have in class. She is not afraid to ask questions and clarify her understanding of topics. Good job, Nadia. Traven Davis is not with us right now. Traven has truly stepped up his game in math. He is on time, on task, and on target each and every day this 6 weeks. He also volunteers to help other students with his Traven tutorials. Awesome job by an amazing young man. All right. Maxwell Hess. Maxwell, this is from Miss Maddox. Congratulations on your artist breakthrough this month. Your Bobcat drawing turned out to be an incredible work of art. I'm immensely proud of your recent work and hope that you continue to grow in confidence and experience. Great job, Max. Madison Fielding. Madison. This is from Miss Flynn. Madison puts her full effort in everything she does, from schoolwork to athletics. She never settles for less than her best. She's always doing all she can. Her work ethic and positive attitude are a joy to watch every day. Madison's second award is from Miss Liebert. Madison is a responsible and respectful student. She follows the class routine and completes assignments in a timely manner. She is always attentive to the lesson and is ready with the well-thought-out responses or questions, which is reflected in her excellent work. Her respectful attitude is consistent toward both teacher and students. All of this is accomplished with a quiet confidence. Any teacher will be pleased to have Madison as a student. I am just fortunate to be one of them. Great job, Madison. And last but not least, Manuel Toledo. Manuel, this is from Mr. Terrones. This student is always on top of his game, never distracted, and always helps out his peers. Great example of a top dog. Great job, Manuel. All right, thank you for joining us.